Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. Revolut is hiring for Fincrime Analyst Chargebacks. Job location is remote, that is work from home. Let us get to know about the job. So here is about Revolut. People deserve more from their money, more visibility, more control, more freedom, and since 2015, Revolut has been on a mission to deliver just that. With an arsenal of awesome products that span spending, saving, travel, transfers, investing, exchange and more, our super app has helped 25 plus million customers get more from their money, and we are not done yet. As we continue our lightning fast growth, we believe that two things are essential to continuing our success: our people and our culture. So far we have 5,000 plus people working around the world from our great offices or remotely on our mission. And we are looking for more. We want brilliant people that love building great products, love redefining success, and love turning the complexity of a chaotic world into the simplicity of a beautiful solution. Here's about the role. The Financial Crime Operations Department is at the forefront of Revolut's efforts to keep customers and their money safe. Those ninjas work directly with customers to resolve issues and flag potential concerns. Using cutting-edge technology, we aim to prevent financial crime in a way the banking world hasn't seen so far. Fincrime Analyst is the key person to ensure we have got it under control, working with the Revolut compliance team. It's only for the most responsible, conscientious, brave individuals, the ones who are not afraid of challenges of the complex financial world. We are a global financial super app, so we have to be available 24/7. That sometimes means working nights and weekends. We will compensate you for night shifts, but we understand this still isn't for everyone. So please bear that in mind before applying. What you will be doing under this role? Reviewing customers' claims related to commercial disputes and unauthorized payments. Engaging in money recovery in accordance to card scheme rules. Detecting and reporting suspicious activities, including first-party fraud. Ensuring claims are handled in accordance to internal policies. What you will need: flawless English, minimum C1. Prior experience in banking, in complaints or chargebacks is a plus. Knowledge of card scheme rules is a plus. Excellent communication skills. Ability to work together with multiple compliance teams. Ability to multitask and prioritize. Ability to work under well pressure and tight time frames. Willingness to work different shifts. Nice to have fluency in any other language. Building a global financial super app isn't enough. Our Revoluters are a priority, and that's why in 2021 we launched our inaugural D&I framework designed to help us thrive and grow every day. We are not just doing this because it's the right thing to do. We are doing it because we know that seeking out diverse talent and creating an inclusive workplace is a way to create exceptional, innovative products and services for our customers. That's why we encourage applications from people with diverse backgrounds and experiences to join this multicultural, hard-working team. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this apply button. Then this application form will open. Fill the general information: full name, email, phone number, current country, and there are some basic questions. Answer these questions and then submit this application by clicking on the submit application button. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, share it with your friends, and for more latest job updates, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.